Hello friends, welcome to bspsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and this is the part 2 for Wave Analytics Summer 2018 updates. For part 1, you can find the link enclosed in the comment box. So in my previous video in part 1, I have demonstrated that what are the various new updates has been released by Wave Analytics in Summer 2018 version. In continuation of that, I will be going to explain you more updates. I'm going to tell you few couple of more updates which has been released by Salesforce Wave Analytics. And one of the major update which has been released, that is whenever you create a data set, now you will find out only two data sets, CSV and Salesforce. Informatica Rev has been removed from here. So now you can load data either only from CSV or from Salesforce app. If you want to load data from a connected app or from multi-organization, then you need to switch to Data Manager, and from Data Manager you need to enable replication, Wave replication, and in Wave replication we have options for add remote connections. So here we will find out the rest of the data sets like AWS Redshift. So basically, if you can see here, the Informatica has been permanently removed from here. So now we won't be able to load data from Informatica. We can load data directly from Salesforce or from Dynamic CRM or from AWS Redshift or Google BigQuery, Windows Azure, AWS MySQL, MariaDB, Aura MySQL, and PostgreSQL. So you won't be able to load data from Informatica anymore into Wave Analytics. So these are the two major differences which are associated to the dataset has been released by Wave Analytics. Another difference is when we switch to monitor. Previously, in the previous version, we used to get a drop down option from which where we can select jobs or data flow one by one, but here we have the jobs and data flow in the form of a tab view, in the form of tabs. So we can switch from data flows to jobs and jobs to data flows by only switching tabs. We are not getting any drop down option. Also, we are getting that how many flows we can schedule every 24 hours. So it has been extended up to 2040 data flows we can schedule or we can run in every hour. So that's the job we can schedule in every hour. That's the number of workflows we can schedule in every 24 hours. 24, there are 40 remaining. So 40 are left at present. I haven't scheduled any one of them. Apart from that, if we'll switch back to dashboard, and if we are creating a dashboard here, this is one of the biggest feature which I personally like very much in Wave Analytics. That is, they provided a new option for customization. First of all, for background images, as you can see here, previously we need to select the setting option by clicking on default, and then we'll get the settings options or formatting options for default one. But now, as soon as I click on default, I got the settings option. We have layouts, dashboards, pick initial selection. Also, you can see the show conversation option, which was still now available only on lenses. Same conversation options has been available on on dashboards as well. And when I click on show conversation, it asks me to select a data set, and I can start conversation here. So as you can see here, the data set is added as sales data set, and we can start a conversation. What is shipping cost by product container? Because I selected sales data set. So rank of order quantity by product container, and it quickly gives me a visualization. It quickly gives me a chart, and I can include this chart from here, save as lens or clip to dashboard. So I can perform, I can save it as a lens, or I can clip it to the dashboard, or I can share it directly from here. Or let's suppose I say clip to dashboard, or if I'm not clipping to dashboard, and if I simple close it, then it won't available on dashboards. It's not available here. So until and unless we do not clip it to dashboard, once I clip it to dashboard, it is available in our dashboard. So this is one of the biggest cool feature which has been released by Wave Analytics. Now using this feature, you don't need to create lens every time. We can directly switch, we can directly move to dashboard, and we can take help of this conversation to create quick charts, to create quick steps for us, and load it onto, or add it onto dashboard, and then we can start visualization quickly. One more update which has been released by Salesforce, or one more update which you will find out in this new Wave Analytics, is when you preview it, you will get an option for to take a printout of your dashboard. This option was not available in the previous version. So this is a new update in the updated version of Wave, that we can take a printout directly from here. One more update you will find out in the updated version of Wave Analytics is the navigation option. And this navigation option helps us quickly to add multiple pages on the same dashboards, and basically it's a page navigation. Let me demonstrate you how it works. So let's suppose I have got a first page, so I'll just call it as page 1, and I'm going to add another page. I call it as page 2, and on page 2 I'm going to add another, I'm going to add a chart which would be showing sum of sales by product subcategory, and in the form of bar chart. So I want in the form of bar chart, so it's in the form of donut charts, and click on done. So we added a chart, and now I want to take use of navigation. So I switch to page 1 and drag and drop navigation at the top of the page. Similar, I'll do same thing on page 2, and we have navigation added on page 1 and page 2, and it automatically took the pages. We don't need to make any changes into it, only we can change the properties. And now when we preview, we can easily switch from page 1 to page 2. So it's a kind of a tabs on a same dashboards. So this is another cool feature which has been released by Salesforce Wave Analytics in their new update. So these are the new updates released by Salesforce. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. You can also post your comment in comment box. We are providing consulting services and helping you out in building dashboards for you and your clients. We are also into training. If you are looking for a customized training or industry based or project based training on Wave Analytics, you can touch base to us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.